Quick and easy microwave ham.
Hello, everyone. Today we're tackling a cooking query that many of you may have. How long does it take to cook ham in the microwave? Microwaving is a convenient method that can save you some time, especially when you're in a rush or just need a quick meal. However, it's important to know the correct way to do it to ensure your ham turns out delicious and safe to eat.
What type of ham are we microwaving?
Firstly, it's important to identify what type of ham we're dealing with. Pre-cooked ham and fresh or raw ham will have different cooking times and temperatures. Most hams you buy from the store are pre-cooked, but always double-check the label. Pre-cooked ham needs to be heated to a temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Fresh or raw ham should be cooked to a minimum internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius.
How to microwave pre-cooked ham.
For pre-cooked ham, follow these steps. 1. Slice the ham into thin pieces. This helps it heat evenly. 2. Place the slices in a microwave-safe dish. 3. Cover the dish with microwave-safe plastic wrap. Poke a few holes in the wrap to vent steam. 4. Microwave on high for about 1 minute per slice. If you're heating more than one slice, you'll need to increase the time. 5. Use a food thermometer to ensure that the internal temperature has reached 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius.
How to microwave fresh or raw ham.
For fresh or raw ham, the process is similar, but the cooking time will be longer. 1. Cut the ham into slices, just like with the pre-cooked variety. 2. Place the slices in a microwave-safe dish. 3. Cover the dish with microwave-safe plastic wrap, making sure to poke a few holes for steam to escape. 4. Microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes per slice. Again, if you're cooking more than one slice, increase the time accordingly. 5. Use a food thermometer to confirm that the internal temperature has reached at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. That wraps up our quick guide to microwaving ham. Whether you have a pre-cooked or fresh ham, you can have it ready to eat in a matter of minutes. Always remember to check the internal temperature to ensure safety. We hope you found this helpful, and that you'll feel more confident next time you're cooking ham in the microwave. Happy cooking!